Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to disable Instagram's profile picture expansion. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play or App Store and search for Instagram. And make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. And I'll touch on this a little bit later on. So once that is done, click on Open. And then click onto your profile, bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then from there click on the hamburger icon, and then from here you want to click onto settings and privacy, and then look for account privacy. Now click into that, and depending what country you're in, you should have an option that says allow profile picture expansion. That's got a toggle on and off switch, but I currently don't have it. It might be because the country I'm in, but what Instagram does, they roll out these updates and allow certain people to be able to use that option. And if you are one of those people, I'll just open up a screenshot to show you. It will look something like this. So you see private account, and then you'll have allow profile picture expansion, so you can toggle that off. So yeah, I would suggest keep updating your Instagram, because it might get updated for you guys to have this option. But if not, you can always contact Instagram and say you'd like to have this option on your Instagram account. That may work. If it does, leave a comment down below. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.